Hello audience.
The best freelance website make it simple and easy for freelancers to increasing their workload and career opportunities. TopTal, designed to discover the world's best freelance talent. TopTal does not have the most extensive database of jobs or users, but that's the point. The site only lists world-class freelancers. That's why companies like Microsoft, Bridgestone, and Salesforce rely on TopTal to find top talent. Guru, a huge flexible freelance marketplace. Guru is one of the largest freelance marketplace on the web, with more than 2 million freelancers and 8 million employers listed. That means you will be able to find experts in a variety of fields. Guru covers programming and development, design, writing, sales, marketing, management, and you will be able to find freelancers who work in the legal, engineering, and education fields. Upwork, one of the most familiar freelance websites. Upwork is one of the most prominent freelance marketplaces on the web, and there's plenty of reasons to use this vast site. It lists freelancers in every conceivable job, every big industry, and focuses on marketing and software development. People per hour. This international site boasts a wide variety of categories. More than 3 million people and 1 million businesses use this site across every key category, from SEO and web development to content writing, voiceovers, and marketing. If you need a person for a job, no matter how obscure, you will find them on People per hour. Melody Nest, most popular website for musicians and producers. Melody Nest is a freelance musician marketplace that connects vocalists, instrumentalists, audio engineers, graphic designers, and more. Musicians and music producers that are looking for original recordings and album cover designs. All freelancers on this website are handpicked professionals, actively working in the music industry, which helps keep the quality of work to a high standard. Musicians and producers that find and hire the right artists with full control over budget and style. Have interest to making music? Wait for next video. See you soon. Stay tuned.